What's up, nail crew? Who wants to learn how to encapsulate chunky glitter with builder gel? So the very first thing I did on this mani was I did my solid dip colors. This way, once I did my builder gel over top of my chunky glitter, it would just be easy since my color dip's already done. And I am taking this gorgeous, super chunky glitter called Twilight from Ritzy Dips, and it is my first time trying Ritzy, and let me tell you, this glitter is gorgeous. So you can see I did it on my thumb, my middle finger, and my ring finger. And whenever I'm dipping chunky glitters, I like to pour it into a cupcake liner and then lay my nail flat into the glitter. This just allows me to have a better application overall than I can just simply press down the glitters as you see me doing here once I've applied them. Then I brush off the excess with a stiff nail brush and I go in and I put my second layer. I really wanted to do a tutorial doing builder gel over glitter dips since this glitter was extra chunky. After you do your second layer, you really want to make sure you've pressed down the glitters, then give that a few minutes to dry. You'll go in with a layer of gel base over your entire nail, cure that for 30 seconds. Then you'll go in right in with your builder gel and start gently applying it over your chunky glitter over where you applied the base. Your entire nail needs to be encapsulated because you're going to file and shape this builder gel. Anytime you're using builder gel, you really want to make sure you float the builder gel over your nail. When you apply it on your nail, you want to flip your hand over for at least 10 seconds to allow the apex to form naturally, then flash cure it for 10 seconds before moving to your last nail. And once all of your nails have the builder gel on it and a couple of them will be flash cured, then you can go in and fully cure the builder gel for 60 seconds. That's what I do here because then my nails will be ready to wipe off with isopropyl alcohol like I did off screen, and now I can file and shape away. And I use the 100 side of a 180 grit file. Using the 100 side of the file really helps me to get my builder gel into a nice apex shape without having to worry so much about how I apply my glitters. And you can see as I'm filing and I make that apex by like curving around my nail on the top or with the file. Like I do for all my manis, I like to trace around my cuticles with an E-file. This way they're nice and clean. And then you can just, once you do that, you'll go in with isopropyl alcohol, wipe off the dust off all your nails, and then you top it with a layer of gel base. You top all your nails with a layer of gel base, cure that for 30 seconds, and then top with a layer of gel top coat and cure that for 60 seconds. Come learn how to apply builder gel in my next video. Thanks for joining me, nail crew.